Well, we made it to City Walk, but the line went up to about a 1:20 wait now, so Dorian didn't help us at all. We're still gonna wait in the line and hopefully not get rained on. There's bubblegum. Aww. Hear the motorbikes. Let's go see the line. Alright, we are in the line. I think it's going to be a 2-hour wait. It's our first time actually seeing the ride too, because you can't see it unless you're in line.
Okay,
that was amazing. So worth the wait. Totally worth the wait. Okay, we just got off the ride, so I'm still super giddy, but that was so worth the wait. That is the best ride here now, for sure. And possibly the best roller coaster in Orlando. There were lots of unexpected moments. The acceleration was really cool. Oh my god, I just loved everything about that ride. Worth the wait, 100%. Wow, you can like meet all the characters pretty easily here. Okay, yeah, now that we've calmed down from the excitement of the Hagrid ride, have to say, hands down, best ride at Universal. Good coaster that doesn't make you sick. It was actually longer than expected. Like usually the roller coasters go by super fast, like Slinky Dog did. But that one, it was a good length, nice acceleration. Oh, there's like a drop scene. I don't want to give it away, but it's so well done. And the backwards scene felt so natural too. Hagrid's motorbike adventure, whatever it's called, worth the wait. Approved. Another good point Fabian just made is that most of the wait for the ride is inside, so you're in air conditioning. We were safe from the rain outside, dried off after we got rained on a little bit there at the beginning, but it's better to be indoors. That's all from Universal today. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time for your theme park updates. Okay, future Kayla here, because post-roller coaster Kayla was way too overwhelmed apparently. But seriously, this ride was amazing. And right after we got off, I immediately texted my friends and my parents telling them how great it was. My mom did call me crazy for waiting 2 hours in line, but I will make her and my dad do the same thing when they visit because that's how good this ride was. Fabian even said he would wait 2 hours in line again for this ride. I will say that the theming while you're waiting in line is exciting itself, so it kind of takes away from the boredom of waiting there. And honestly, when I was on that bike, hanging onto the handlebars, like gliding sideways, looking around at the crazy structures and really lush landscapes, honestly, just like thinking about the 2 hours that we waited kind of melted away. And I have never said that about a ride or a line before in my life. That's saying a lot. So yeah, the surroundings and I think being on the bike itself really pulls you into the story. And I'm so happy Universal finally did a ride without screens and more animatronics, and I think it's really worked out for them. So, what are you most excited about on this ride? Let me know down in the comments. When you're in Universal, it's gonna be a long wait, but I don't think your trip there is gonna be complete without hitting this ride. So, do it. Bye!